The April Planything subscription kits are here, and I cannot wait to share them with you. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is April, and that means there's a new subscription release from Planything, and that is what I have here for you. There is the washi tape subscription, and then there is also the planner kit subscription. I think that these are going to be good ones. You guys know I always love unboxing these and creating with these. So here's the deal. I do have an affiliate link with Planything. You can use it and head straight over and sign up to receive this subscription kit, either one of these or both. And you can sign up for them. You're going to love it. All the products in here are exclusive to the subscriptions. So if you love it, head on over and grab one of those limited spots. That is the tricky part. The subscriptions are limited, so when they fill up, they're done. All right, so today we're going to unbox both subscription kits and then do a plan with me. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with the washi tape kit. I always save the bags because as a junk journaler, these are just so pretty. Oh my goodness, so good. Okay, in the washi tape subscription kit, you usually get 6 different washies. We have some different feels here. We have, this is the watermelon group. Then we have what I would call like a sea group. Those look like stars and scallops. And then this has some tropical feels. 6 different washies, 2 mediums, 4 smalls. I am going to unwrap these right now and swatch them out so we can get a closer look. Okay, so we're definitely getting like beach vibes from the first ones. I love this washi with the ocean is perfection. Love, love, love. Then you have the sea stars, so pretty. And I love a scallop washi. It's my favorite washi that Planything makes are the beautiful scallop washis. I use them all the time, loving. Then we have this kind of watercolor watermelon look, which is super cute. And then of course you have the watermelon stripes, very lovely, and some tropical foliage right there. So perfect for the upcoming travel seasons and vacation seasons. I think this is a beautiful set, and I kind of dig that it's in 2 different colorways. So you have your ocean group and then your kind of tropical group right there with the watermelon. Loving that you get 2 different kind of sets, which is super fun. So those are the washis, the washi tape subscription. Remember, those washis are exclusive to the subscription box. So if you are as in love with this ocean one as I am, you're going to want to grab up one of those subscription spots. All right, I'm going to clear these off and then we're going to check out the planner subscription kit. Okay, next up is the planner subscription kit. Let me just pull out the goodies. This comes with a variety of goodies, and it's fun because it's not always the same each and every month. So it's fun to see what Amber comes up with. This one is called Summer Dreams. Yes, summer is so close, you all. I can smell it like it's there. It's almost here. So Summer Dreams is our theme this month. We start out with this cute little Post-it notepad. I love this. It does have a stickiness to the back, which is awesome. Kind of standard Post-it notes, but that's adorable. That's super cute. So you have the Post-it notepad, then you have papers. Usually we get 3 papers in here. Let me get this open. They're always double-sided. I'm in love with this one right here. I love the window look. It's so cool. Oh, look, it's so sweet. Oh, super cute. Love. Then you have Summer Vibes. Kind of matches right here. Digging that. Oh, that's cute. Love this one. That one's super cute. And then these little cuties playing by the pool. I like that background with some gorgeous stripes. I love using these. I actually like using them on planner spreads mostly, but you can use them in all kinds of ways. You can add dashboards to your planner. You can add little vision boards. You can do some card making. You can frame them. If you think this guy is too cute to not look at every day, which I would not blame you one bit, then frame it. Put it in your office. I love the papers. And then we have 3 washi tapes in here. We have a red, white, and blue stripe. This one is kind of the tropical flavor stripe. You can see it kind of coordinates with the tropical colors right there. And then a lovely minty grid washi that also coordinates beautifully with those colors as well. That is super pretty. I love it. And let's check out the Summer Dreams sticker book. It's 544 stickers, 20 different sheets, all about summer. Here for it. Oh, look at this. Look at those dresses. How fun is that? This is definitely all the tropical vibes. Like little cozy tropical cabin. These are on clear sticker paper, by the way. Very cute. This one, it's like red, white, and blue. So it's a touch of like 4th of July, but also just look at like, it also has this Mediterranean feel. That is beautiful. I love the scenes. I just can't with the scenes. They're so pretty. Love that. Here's our dogs by the pool. We have a girl sitting there. Ooh, I want to hang out. That's like Barbie's cabana right there. Super cute. All the little different pool scenes. Look at this guy. So sweet. Love that. Here's some more beachside fun. I like these colors. This, is that, yeah, I feel like that coordinates. That's really pretty. Does this from the, maybe not, but this mixed in. Love it. Love it. I love to see what mixes and matches. That's a fun color scheme. Any like interesting color scheme I'm here for. I just think it's lovely to change things up. Then we have functional boxes that will mix and match with several of the different sets. This one's more neutral. Definitely have like a Grecian feel over here. Look at the turtles going to the ocean. Love that. Very pretty. That's super good. Oh, look at all these sweet kiddos playing by the pool. Loving. Super cute. Yep, more kids playing and having fun. So sweet with all their ice creams. Pretty colors. Loving. And then some great quotes. I need vitamin C, sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. Yep, hot girl summer, hello summer, aloha. Life is better at the beach, resting beach face, beauty in the beach, drink in my hand, toes in the sand. Girls just want to have sun, salt water heals everything, summer vibes, just beach, happy and salty, beach, babe. A couple of those. Definitely has all the fun summer feels. I love it. This set is so gorgeous. So pretty. All right. I cannot wait to play. So I'm going to do a plan with me, but before we get started, don't forget, these are available April the 1st. April the 1st is when the kit subscriptions open up. So be sure to check it out. They are limited and they do fill up. So you're going to want to grab a subscription. Oops, this one goes over here while you can. And don't forget to use that affiliate link that you see down below. All right, let's do a plan with me. The layout I am working with today is the quad layout. This is one that is available over in my shop at ScrappyWife.com. And I love the quad layout for the summer specifically because those days do tend to be a little less busy. Still busy with kid things, but a little less busy. And I feel like the quad layout is just a little bit of a calmer layout for me. So I do love the quad layout. I also think it very much lends itself to journaling if you are using your planner as a creative journal. I really like this layout. So we're going to start with this. I could not pass up this gorgeous set of stickers from the Summer Dreams sticker book with its like coral color and the ocean blue. Oh, it's so pretty. So I actually pulled out some different Planything washi. This is not the washi that came with the kit, but this is some previous Planything washi that I think really picked up that turquoise color that was just so dreamy. And I'm starting out with putting that at the bottom of each box. I have described the quad layout before as a bunch of dailies all grouped together, which if you think about it, I get that's kind of what a planner layout is most of the time, but this one feels a little bit different. And in that it feels different, I decorate it differently and I kind of decorate each box on its own in a way. It just kind of feels like getting to put together 8 little miniature layouts. So I'm starting out with some decorative stickers. I do want there to be a decorative element in each box, but the tricky part is, even though Planything has mostly smaller scale stickers, which I like because it doesn't take up as much space. There were a couple larger ones, and I want to make sure that I'm not taking up all of the writing room, all of the functionality. So a lot of times you'll see me having decorative stickers that go outside the box, and you'll also end up seeing me layer some of the functional boxes over top of what you see on the decorative side of it. And that just allows you to kind of fit in a little bit more writing room. So I'm having fun kind of balancing where things are going. Right now, I feel like the left side doesn't have enough of the coral color based on what is on the right side. So I do want to balance that out. I'm going to start bringing in some of the functional boxes. I do struggle sometimes with balancing colors using the Planything books. A lot of times I have to bring in an additional book. Luckily, Planything has a ton of different books that have a lot of the basic colors that you can bring in. If you are a functional box girly, you love the functional boxes like I do, you'll probably need some of those extra books just to complete your spreads. But I do manage to get this one with all of the boxes. I like to have 1 box per day when I'm planning in a quad layout, at least 1 per day, because the odds that we have a day with no activities are pretty darn slim. So at least 1 box per day so I can write down activities. I am working on top of sticker guides because it's been a hot second since I've done a quad layout. And so I just wasn't totally sure how everything was going to fit in. So working on top of sticker guides is always really, really helpful if you think you're going to be changing your mind about how the arrangement of stickers is going to go. That being said, I rarely plan the whole spread on sticker guides. I use them back and forth, but mostly just to get some of the larger elements kind of decided in my head. Once I'm feeling pretty good about it, I do go ahead and transfer it to the paper. There is something to be said about actually making the choice and putting it on paper and not being willing to move it after that point. That helps make the rest of the decision-making process a little bit easier, a little bit clearer. So once you have a few of the big stickers, a few of the big elements decided, go ahead and get them onto the page, and then you can start filling in the rest of the elements. You do not have to plan the whole thing on your sticker guides. Sometimes I bring the sticker guides back in. Generally, I just use them for this first section just to figure out where the boxes are going to be, things like that. But mostly, I don't often bring them back in, but I can if I have some more questions, some things I'm trying out. But I like to use them in the first phase, and then usually I'm just a more let's just go for it kind of person after that. All right, I do feel that Amber from Planything did such a good job curating the stickers in this Summer Dreams sticker book. I'm a seasonal girl. I love seasonal stickers. I have to admit, summer seasonal stickers are my least favorite. I think they tend to get a little cheesy and a little cliche at times, especially if you are not doing a ton of travel during the summer. To be completely honest, I'm not gonna be going to a bunch of tropical locations all of the time, but I like the stickers that Amber chooses, or at least the illustrations that she chooses, because I feel like they offer a sort of whimsy that the summer brings with it, and I can still have fun with that whimsy even if I'm not necessarily going to this, summer beach location. I can still play with all of the elements, and it doesn't feel I don't know. It doesn't feel like you have to be going on vacation the week that you're using these stickers, if that makes sense. So I love this set. I love these colors. She has been killing it in the color combo department. Just something fresh and new is so lovely. They're not all bright. They're not all fluorescent. It's a lovely, lovely color combo. Okay, to wrap up this spread, I am going to add some bullet points on each of the days. Relatively simple spread, but it's one of the reasons I love the quad layout is because I do think it lends itself to the simpler look, and I'm just ready for some simple summer days. That's for darn sure. So as a reminder, these new subscription kits from Planything release on April 1st. I do have an affiliate link and I have a code ScrappyWife10 to help you save on your order. So check those out and get on that subscription list because it's a good list to be on for sure. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon crew. Thank you all so much for your continued support. And I hope that all of you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.